What is up? So we're going to be talking about Forex. Okay, so what is Forex, and how do you gain money from playing in Forex? In this video, I'm going to be broad. I'm going to go through the charts and everything like this. This is just kind of an intro. I want to disclose, not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment information purposes. More one-on-one time with more experienced traders, and you're going to be able to gain knowledge about how to read charts, how to read candlesticks, how to play with indicators, how to set stop losses, and really grow your ability to gain money. What I do say is that for all new traders, to start out on a demo account on a MetaTrader 4. So there is different brokerages that deal with MetaTrader 4. So I do know one, and I'm now working under MetaTrader 4. For the last couple months, I've been working under FOREX.com, and that didn't have the MetaTrader 4, or I didn't have that set up with MetaTrader 4. But with the brokerage, I'm able to get lower spreads, so it's the same as a commission kind of. So you want to have the lowest spreads, and you want to be able to play as many different indices or commodities and currencies, and with different brokerages that are offshore, you can have higher leverage ratios. That can be a good thing, but it can also be a bad thing, which is why I think it's a great idea to be able to double or triple your account in a demo account before feeling comfortable to join a live account and play with real money. So that is what is really going to get you to the next level. But we go through the price trap, which it's set with support and resistance zones, and then based on different strength meters, what is strong as far as currencies goes, and always setting a stop loss. So on a 1.0 lot size, if you're able to create about 10 pips a day, that is $100 in earnings. If you do 20 pips a day, that's $200 in earnings on a 1.0 lot size. On a 30 pips, that's $300, and 50 pips, that's $500. So if you get to the levels that you can do that, then it becomes an ATM machine when you're able to create that money for yourself. And we buy or sell the positions in Bitcoin, in gold, in silver, there's all these different things that you're going to be able to learn. There is experts that are instructors in the academy that were able to do $6 million. Kimberly Torres, sure, and she'll give you support and resistance zones and buy and sell entries. And she is the number one consistent trader on the whole IM Academy. And if you learn a lot from her, and she's very motivational. I'm working with Amanda, and she is amazing. She was able to, in I think 2 or 3 months, or less than 3 months, she's been able to 100 times her money. She's been playing very at a high leverage, so it's not recommended for everybody, because if you had only $500 in an account, that if you lose 15 pips on a $500 account and you lose 3 trades, then you will effectively pretty much blow your account. You'll have $50 left. So it's not necessarily the way you want to go, but if you start off at 0.25 and you get the hang of things, that you can really grow your account, and then you can double, triple, quadruple and there's going to be so much teachings that this can be used in trading equities as well, in stocks. Whether you're a trader or you're an investor, this kind of training is going to be able to help you get better entries and exits, and it can leave you with the expertise that when you're up in the trade, that you are pretty much risk-free of not losing money on that trade. Of course, there's exceptions, but if you were in a position that you were up, say, 15% on an equity, you can set your stop loss to 2%, and there's different ways. There's also trailing stop loss, and there's all these things that you're going to learn. I mean, I cannot guarantee anyone's success, because it's the same as if a policeman put a gun to your head and said, put your hands up. Not, out of 1,000 people, maybe not all those 1,000 people are going to put their hands up, and one of those, or more than that, are going to get shot. So it really comes down to gaining your own niche and understanding what it takes for you to find your own success. And that is what you're going to be able to do with the demo account and the support in the academy. So if you want to join the academy, I'd love to have you along on the journey, and you can talk to me on Telegram and on Skype or Messenger or whatever, and we can talk. And if this is something that you want to do, I'd be happy to join and get you signed up into this. And for the first month, it is around $250 USD, and then if you get 2 people to join, then it's going to be free after that for the second month and on. And if you don't, it's somewhere around 147 USD for the months moving after the first month. So you got to think of it that you're getting an education, right? This can be used and it can be transferred into stocks and equities, and this same type of thing could probably help you out with thinking about buying or selling real estate and all different types in your world. I mean, I think this type of information, if you're not aware of it, I think it can take you to the next level in life. So I'm going to show you in the charts, and I'll show you a live demo account in what I'm doing with currencies. In my demo account, I cannot trade Bitcoin or gold or silver, but as soon as I get a live account with this broker, then I can do those trades. There is other brokers that you can do those trades on demo that I can help you set up, and I'd be happy to work with you and grow your skills as a trader in Forex, where we can trade Bitcoin, all the top currencies, GBP, USD, USD CAD, Euro USD, Euro GBP, and a whole host of other ones that you've probably never heard about. But that is going to take you to the next level. There's a lot of information in the whole academy. There's live instructors that are available all throughout the week, and they have, you can go back a year with different instructors and get all their expertise on hour-long videos. So the amount of knowledge that you can find in the academy is, it's not to be seen anywhere else. It's just, it's rich with a lot of education, and Forex is not an easy task. So that is why we recommend to learn in a demo account before putting real money on the line, because there's a lot of emotions with real money, and we want to get you to become consistent on a demo account before putting your real money. So we also want to teach you the stop losses to make sure you're always using a stop loss, because you know, if you had say $2,000 and you were working on a 1.0 lot size and you all of a sudden didn't put a stop loss and just let it ride, and all of a sudden like 2 or 3 days later there's a chance that it could have gone down 200 pips in that time. So you could have lost all your account if you didn't have your stop loss. Now if you set a stop loss, that will minimize your losses. So whether you put a 15 pip stop loss or you put a 20 or a 30 pip stop loss, different size stop losses are good for different scenarios. If you're playing a longer time trade and you're trying to get more pips on a swing, then you can have a higher stop loss. But at the same time, when you're doing that, you want to ensure that your lot size is smaller, because there's more risk when you have a bigger stop loss. So I hope you are excited about this journey. So